going to see the comparison of popular test frameworks for functional automated testing. This evaluation we have done for a healthcare product company, and I'm working there as a senior QA lead. We have selected three popular test frameworks, which are NUnit, MSTest, and mBUnit. NUnit is primarily developed for unit testing, and it has emerged as the most popular test frameworks for .NET developers. But it lacks many features support for automated testing. MSTest is a product by Microsoft, and it is integrated now in Visual Studio, and it's primarily developed for unit testing, and it's one of the most popular in Microsoft community. It has many nice features, but it still lacks features for supporting functional automated testing. Galio mBUnit is the framework which is also primarily developed for unit testing, but it has many features that encourage its usage for functional automated testing. Features like embedding screenshots, parallel test execution makes it most favorable for functional automated testing. Now I have compared 5 basic features amongst all 3 test tools, which is capturing screenshots, then support for parallel test execution, custom login, summary of test execution, and export report in HTML format. All these features are not supported by MSTest and NUnit, but they are supported by mBUnit. Now let's see how these features look like in mBUnit, as these are not supported by MSTest and NUnit, but these features are most critical for automated functional tests. Now this is a tool, Galio Icarus mBUnit framework, wherein I have just executed a simple test case, wherein I just go to the Google site, entered a text Selenium testing, and hit enter. This is a simple test case which is executed, and you can see the results. When you select the test case, you will see test results and execution log. In the execution log, you will see a brief summary, the name of test case, results, duration of execution, and number of assertions in that test case. Below that, you will see a log which is being logged from while the test is being executed. So I have entered begin section, launching Google search site, highlighted text, entering text as Selenium testing in Google search. This is a plain text, and below that you will see a screenshot of the test execution. So this is the best feature, wherein if there is an error occurred or failure occurred in your test execution, you can know that what was the cause of that error, and what was the state of the application wherein the error has occurred. So looking at this in the log, you can quickly come to know what was the root cause of the failure. Then you can take the necessary actions to fix it, and you can move on. So this makes it more faster, more quicker to debug your test scripts and come back with the solution. The other feature I'll show you is you can see the brief execution report, wherein you can see the summary and all the test cases in your test suite listed in this section with their status, with their duration, and the detailed results. Now, what if you want to share this test report within the team? You can go to report and then say view as HTML. When you click on HTML, it will export the report in a HTML format, and this is how it looks like. It will give you the statistics of that test execution, the start time, the end time, then the number of tests, the number of steps, then results, 1 run, 1 passed, 0 failed, then duration taken by the test execution, and number of assertions. Now where this file is saved, then a brief summary of number of tests. Now if there have been 100 test cases, then all those test cases would have listed here. You can collapse and expand those list of test cases, then you will see the details of that test cases like this. You can expand a particular test case and you will get all those details of that particular test case. Again, drill down the test case, you will get to know that the log of that particular test case is also available in the report. So by exporting this test report in an HTML format, you can easily share this, save this in your local folder, and then share it with the team. This is how the features in mBUnit are, and those are not supported by the NUnit and MSTest frameworks. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this is useful and helpful to you while selecting the test runners for your automation project. You can see my other videos on my YouTube channel at Srivaze. The link is given below. And you can also visit my Blogger site and WordPress sites. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like it, you can share this with your colleagues and you can subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. Goodbye.